What's up, everybody? It's Brandon Albert from PSA Trucks and Northern Truck Designs in Ontario, Canada. We sell used trucks, we sell accessories, we do one-off builds, and we do new vehicle upfits. And behind me is a Ford F550 pickup that we just finished up, and I'm gonna go through the build specs on it with you. So this is a 2025 F550 Lariat trim package. It is a 60-inch cab to axle, and we've converted it to have an 8-foot factory spec pickup bed on the back and done the severe duty conversion. So let's go through the build. Your first question is probably what makes the severe duty package. The biggest part of the severe duty package is the single wheel conversion. And what brings that to life is the wheels and these 335 80/20 Michelin tires with the front fender flare to be able to make the turning radius. The second question you guys must have is, wow, that F550 must not drive very good. That is not the case. We have partnered with LiquidSpring Smart Suspension and installed their 2-inch kit front and rear on this F550 that is going to give you the most advanced suspension system on the market for these medium duty trucks and make this thing ride amazing. When looking this F550 severe duty straight on in the face, you are impressed because it has a super mean look, and what brings it to life is this Bodyguard A2 front bumper. It meets up to the Gen 1 fender flares perfectly. It holds the Baja design lights, and it holds the 16.5 Warn winch that everybody needs on their severe duty truck. With driving this severe duty every day as a daily driver like we intend to, you're gonna be getting in and out of it a lot. So that's why we put the AMP XL boards on this thing to make up for how big this truck is. It gets in and out very easy. The back of this F550 is where it really stands out from the rest. Yes, it is the severe duty package with the single wheel conversion, but it has a pickup bed on it that every 550 does not get. This is made in-house by us here at PSA Trucks and NTD, and we made this pickup bed to the factory specs. Underneath the bed of this has the 5th wheel prep package. It is to OEM specs. It lets you install the 5th wheel hitch or the gooseneck to be able to tow all your trailers. So with our factory spec 8-foot pickup bed, we decided, because this is a severe duty package and it's no longer the dually, that we were not going to use the dually bed. We used a normal fleet side bed with the matching Gen 1 fender flare on the rear to give this the ultimate look from front to back. With this F550 being a pickup, we had to install a typical rear bumper that you would see on every other Ford pickup truck. So we have the matching Bodyguard A2 rear that'll make this front to back transition perfectly. With being the Lariat trim package, it has the upgraded factory leather interior, the upgraded sound system, the large nav screen with the center console. We've added a couple touches to make it even better. We added the severe duty matching headrest for a little bit of accent looks. And what you can't notice on this interior is what we've added, and it's gonna give you the biggest difference. We've added the Dynamat sound deadening to this entire cab that's gonna give you the most luxury ride down the road in your F550 pickup that can be done. So let's go into the LiquidSpring Smart Suspension that gives our F550 the ability to have unbelievable on and off-road capabilities with the best ride out there. So a LiquidSpring Smart Suspension is a hydraulic compressible fluid. It has tons of sensors that takes a lot of driver input into the system, and it's the only system on the market that actually monitors that feedback, and it monitors at 1,000 times a second and has the ability to react to any input within 40 milliseconds. That gives you the safest, most capable, and smoothest drive on and off the road, no matter your conditions or no matter what you are towing. Because this has ride height sensors in the rear, this truck will never squat. You put your trailer on the back and it will stay level no matter what. With this kit being the 2-inch lifted model, that gives this truck the ability to have 4 inches down and 4 inches higher at 15 miles an hour. With that, it gives you the ability to raise and lower your truck to suit any need you're trying to do with it. So because we have the upgraded true earth leveling system in this, I have the ability to run this off of my phone. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the ride heights. So right now the F550 is sitting at the lowest position, so 4 inches below ride height. I'm going to raise it up now. So as you can see behind me, it is raising the front of the vehicle first, and it's going to come to ride height. Then it's going to raise the back. So as we can see on my phone, it has achieved ride height position. Now let's go higher. So when going to the highest position, it will raise the tail of the vehicle first and then the front. So right there, you've achieved 4 inches higher than ride height position. Next, true earth leveling. So if you're the guy that wants to camp out of this vehicle, put the in-bed camper or rooftop tent, and you absolutely hate putting wheel chocks to get you to the levelest ground possible, now that the truck's at the top ride height, let's drop it down to normal riding height and jump in the cab to show you the true earth capability. Sitting in the cab of our F550, looking at the LiquidSpring smart suspension heads-up unit that sits perfectly on your A-pillar, we have the ability to see your ride comfort and your ride height. And with that, we're sitting at normal ride height condition, and we're going to the True Earth screen. So we're gonna click the True Earth button, and we're gonna see this truck is sitting at a 1.1 degree roll and a 0.7 degree pitch to the front. That wouldn't be ideal if we were gonna be sitting here camping overnight. So let's True Earth to the ground. We hit the auto button. It's flashing green, indicating that the LiquidSpring smart suspension is doing the adjustability that it needs to do to true to the earth. It has achieved the 0-0 status, and it is now completely level to the earth. So that wraps up our F550 severe duty build. We chose the pickup because we want to drive this thing as a daily driver and use it just like every other people do for their F250 or 350. But that's the biggest thing about our severe duty trucks, is we can build them to fit your needs. If you're the worker and need a service truck, you're the overland guy, you want to put an in-bed camper in it, you are an emergency response person and need a fire truck or an EMS truck that needs the off-road capability and the payload capacity that these F550s have. So give us a call, follow us on social media, and don't be afraid to reach out, because we do build these severe duty trucks, and we are in Canada and we can build one for you.